In front of me is Lenovo Tab P12, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Passwords. Then hit Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Now it's time to click on this icon next to Enable Raise to Wake to switch it on or off, and when you're ready, select Add. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you need to hit Done. Select Ignore or Turn On in the pop-up, manage all of those options however you want to, and go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!